Haley buys 18 bars of chocolate, which cost her $5.40. So we have 18 at $5.40 each. To raise money for charity, she sells them at 40 cents each. Now remember, this is buy. This is now sell. 40 cents each. She manages to sell them all. What is Haley's percentage profit? Alright, so let's see. We want to find out, first of all, we could find out how many cents she paid for each bar of chocolate by dividing 540 by 18, so $5.40. But this is the same as 540 cents, so let's call it that. If we multiply $5.40 by 100, we have 540 cents, and we divide that by 18. Now, how much is that? For each, that's going to be 540 divided by 18 equals 30 cents each. So in that case, the cost price is 30 cents each. The selling price is 40 cents each. So, percentage profit. Now, the percentage profit is going to be, in this case, the selling price minus cost price divided by the cost price. Now, you want percentage, so you multiply by 100. That's going to be your profit. Now, we're going to look more closely at this formula. You don't necessarily have to try to swap the formula. Let's work through this first, and we discuss the formula. Here, we have 40 selling price minus the cost price of 30 divided by the cost price of 30. That's going to be 40 minus 30 is 10 divided by 30, which is going to be 0.333. Now, when you multiply 0.333 by 100, you get 33.3%. So, here, the answer we get is 33.3%. Now you can indicate that the 3, it goes on and on, or you can call it 33 1/3% to get an accurate figure here. Now, here, another way was saying that you could do it. Oh, I'll just let the formula remain there. Another way that you could do the calculation here is to say the cost price, the cost to the business person is $5.40. Selling them at 40 cents each would be 40 times 18. That's 40 cents multiplied by 18. And if you do that, you have 40 times 18 equals 720 cents. 720 cents, which is the same as $7.20. $7.20 when you divide by 100. So in this case, 720 minus $5.40 over $5.40 equals, if you do the calculation here, that's going to be $7.2 minus $5.4 equal divided by 5.4 equals, get 0.333, which is 33 and 1/3% again. Now the thing is, here, you do not divide by the selling price. Why? Let us see with a different example. And we discuss the case. What would happen if you did not know this formula? Because you can't always be swatting and remembering formulas like that. And it's not every formula that is on the formula sheet. So, let us see something here. Suppose you buy chocolates for $50 each. That is the cost price, the cost to you, the business person. And you sell them for $50 each. What would be your profit? Your profit here would be 50 minus 50 divided by 50. Now, this would be the cost price, the selling price. If we use this, we would be saying selling price minus cost price, because you would sell it for more. So you expect the selling price to be a bigger money. Divided by cost price. This profit would be 0 over 50, which is 0%. That would be a break even. You did not make any money. You did not lose any money either. You did not suffer any losses. Alright. Now, suppose you wanted to make 100% profit on the sales. What you would do here is double up on what it cost you, and you sell them for $100. This will be the money, you would make the money that you spent plus that same money again. So you sell it back for the 50, you would break even, you wouldn't lose anything, you wouldn't make any money either. But then you put another 50 on top of that to sell it for $100. So you would make 100% profit. Now, in that case, let's use different figures. Here you buy for $300. You buy for $300. You sell for $600. Because I use different figures because I don't want to confuse the 100 with the percentages, because there was a 100 there and the $100 might be confused with the 100%. So let's say these are some expensive chocolates. There's some dark chocolate that they sell for a lot of money, much more expensive than other chocolates. You buy them for $300. You want to make 100% profit, so you sell them for $600. This represents 100% profit, you know. Let's put them in the formula. You have selling price, $600, minus the cost price, of $300 divided by, now suppose you divide by 600. You make the mistake of dividing by 600. What would be the profit that you calculate? The profit would be 600 minus 300, which is 300 over 600. This would be 0.5. So your profit, when you multiply by 0.5 by 100, you would be saying that your profit is 50%. So you make half the money that you spent, but that is not what happened. Right? If you make 50% on 300, it would be 300 plus 150. You would plus half the 300. That's not what happened. So don't make the mistake of dividing by the selling price. It is the cost price that you're to divide by. So let's redo it and divide by the cost price. This 300. When you divide by 300, then the profit here, I'm going to multiply by 100. So let's put the one multiply by 100 here. So you have 600 minus 300, which is 300 over 300 multiplied by 100. What you have is 1 times 100, which is 100% profit, which is the case, right? That is what happened now. 100% profit.